Hey guys, Scrappy K Sue here. I got some cards I want to show you. This one, first one, is a card that I made using things that I just had around on my desk. So I'm not really sure where they came from, but I thought I'd just show it to you. This is some autumn stuff. I know these little things like the bird and the butterfly and this. They came in, you know, one of those ephemera packs, but I cannot remember because I've had that ephemera pack for a few years, so I'm really not sure where I got it and what it goes to. So it's just sort of one of them things that you say it's in my stash. So, and then I just put some ribbon, some little dots here, and nothing on the inside. But I'm trying to get rid of some things that I've had on my desk for a while, you know, just like I'm working on this one here. I had the card already made for like over a year sitting in a drawer, and this has been on my desk. I just made that off of some scraps that I had, and this butterfly just sitting on there. So just things like that that I'm gonna use to try to use to get, you know, everything off my desk. And some of it's Christmas, some of it's birthday, Valentine. It's just all over the place. I made one of these for Valentine, never finished it. And I got these, I did, and because I've had this die for quite some time, and it's a paper tray ink die, and I wanted to do some of them because I had never used them, and they turned out pretty good. So I got some of those, and these little things you get when you order stuff that just, you know, like free stuff, or yeah, I think this was a free thing. I'm not sure if this was something from somebody that sent it to me, but yeah, I think it's a free thing. And just, you know, things like that. And then I do have stuff that people have given me that I've used, but instead of putting it up, I just threw it on my desk, so I got to use it. So that's what the deal is. So here's this one, and here's another one. This one says birthday on it. This is a butterfly that I made off of some flowers, and a little bow, paper. The paper, I can't remember who that's from. And some of these matte stacks and 6x6s and things like that, I just got so many of them, and I think I'm getting to the point where I'm overwhelming myself with stuff and I'm not using it. There are things that I have in here that I've never used, that I've had for probably since I started crafting, you know, crafting all the time, for like 10 years. And so it's just really getting to me that I have not used the stuff, and I'm going to have a bunch of destashes because I've got to get rid of some things. So anyway, here's that one. Okay, and here's another one. Just a happy birthday card, simple. This is from this, these things that somebody gave me, and I just put some bling on it. And put a little thing on the inside. And here's another one. Happy birthday. These are, I think these are actually things that somebody gave me. This one and this one. Little ephemera pieces. Or, not ephemera. Well, cards, you know, they're cardstock. Not really thick, but anyway. And this is some trim that I got last year, a year before. I think it was Hobby Lobby, and I just put some bling on it. And that paper was along with some of this other paper that I had gotten. I'm thinking it was a 6x6 stack. I'm not sure. And I put another one in there. So a lot of the stuff is just, it's really simple things that you could do and not have to work on a card for ever and ever in a day. It's just really simple and you can get it done real quick. But it's not just a flat card. It's, you know, got a bunch of stuff on it. Alright, and let's see, I want to do them in segments. So these are the birthday cards. There's 3. So there's those. There. Alright, and then I've got some Valentine cards. I'm gonna put these, I'm gonna separate these on different videos. That way I can tag them. I know I could tag them all, but I want to just separate them. So I'll be back with some more cards. Alright, let me know what you think. Thanks guys. Bye.